everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to share Facebook page post to Telegram channel. Here my objective is that as soon as I'm going to post something on my Facebook page, automatically that same post along with a caption should be shared to my team members on my Telegram channel. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a simple connection between Facebook pages and Telegram, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. So here we have Facebook pages in our trigger and Telegram in our action. We are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically send Facebook posts to our Telegram groups or channels. So let's suppose I'm running a page on my Facebook account, and now I want that as soon as I'm going to post something on my Facebook page, automatically that same post should be shared on my Telegram channel or group with my team members. For this, I'm going to create an automation by setting up a simple connection between Facebook page and Telegram, and that I'm going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of this amazing software Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect allows us to connect multiple applications without any coding or programming skills to automate our processes. Now, this is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by typing this URL pabbly.com/connect. After coming here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. As we have done that, it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here on the dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders here to save the workflows. Now I'm going to click on this create workflow option which is given on right corner with blue color in order to create a new workflow. And now we need to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Share Facebook post on Telegram. After giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select this Facebook to Telegram automation folder. Now I'm going to click on create. And as we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two concepts or principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose we are going to take Facebook pages in our trigger and Telegram in our action, and we want that as soon as we are going to post something on our Facebook page, automatically that same post should be shared on our Telegram channel or group as well. Okay, here we can find that our action is a response towards our trigger, because when the trigger happens, that means when the post is created on Facebook page, then only it is shared on Telegram, otherwise not. Okay, now after understanding this concept, let's start creating the workflow step by step. So first of all, you will select our trigger application, and that is Facebook pages. So let me select that. And now we need to select the trigger event. So our trigger event will be new post, as we want that whenever we are going to post something on Facebook page, then automatically the response of that post should be captured here, and with that response instantly the workflow should get triggered automatically. Okay, now let's click on connect. From the given options, I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with Facebook pages account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now we will click on this connect with Facebook pages, and our authorization has become successful. And we can find that because I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become successful very easily, and now Facebook pages are successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we will move further. Here we need to first of all select our Facebook page. So let me take you towards my Facebook account, and now let me open a new page over here. So this is my page, Divine Glamour. Let's suppose I'm having a makeup studio, and to promote that, I'm also running a Facebook page. The name of my Facebook page is Divine Glamour. And now let's suppose I regularly post something on my Facebook page to promote my business. Okay, now I want that as soon as I'm going to post something on my Facebook page, Divine Glamour, let's say it is a text, image or a video, then automatically that same post should be shared with my team members on my Telegram channel. So here what we are going to do, we are going to connect Divine Glamour with Pabbly Connect. Let us select Divine Glamour over here. So this is my page. I have selected it. And now we will move further. Here we need to read the instructions given. Important note: to get the data only related to this trigger, use the next action as a filter step and configure the following fields to filter. Filter based on verb is equal to add, published is equal to 1, and then item is equal to status, photo or video. It's worth nothing that webhooks are generated for comments on ad post too. Now this means that if we want to send our Facebook page post to any other application, let's suppose here our objective is to send the Facebook page post on our Telegram channel or account. So for doing that, we will have to follow the step. We will have to apply filter based on these three conditions, which will be verb is equal to add, published is equal to 1, and in the case of item, we have to customize the condition according to text, photo or the video. Okay, but before that, let us first of all click on save and send test request button. And now here it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission so that the response could be captured here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to take you towards my Facebook page, and let's say here I'm going to post something. Let me first of all click on this switch now button, and now I'm going to post something here. Let's say this time I'm going to post a text. Beauty is simplicity. Okay, and now I'm going to click on post. And here I have posted the text. Now we will go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will wait for a few seconds. And here is the response. In the response, we have received all the details from ID, from name, that means the name of the page, Divine Glamour. This is the message which we have posted, beauty is simplicity, and all our other details. And here are some other details as well. Now, because we have received this response, that means we have successfully connected our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect. So now whenever we are going to post something there, automatically the response will be captured here. Okay. And because we need to share this post on our Telegram group, first of all, I'm going to take you towards my Telegram account. And here we need to go towards botfather. After coming on botfather, here we need to type /new bot. Okay, now it is asking us, all right, a new bot, how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So first of all, we need to choose the name for our bot. Let's say here, because I'm going to create a bot for sharing my Facebook post, I'm going to give the name of my bot, let's say as Divine Glamour. Now it is asking, good, now let's choose a username for your bot. So we have given a name for our bot. Now we are going to give a username as well, and the username must end with _bot. So I'm going to give the username, let's say as Divine Glamour _bot. Let me check it. And yes, the username is selected. So here our bot is created. Now we will go back towards Pabbly Connect, and because we need to set up some conditions over here, so we will move towards our action step and we will select our action step as router. So router is a feature by Pabbly which allows us to set conditions differently on basis of different routes in our workflow. Okay, so here when we have applied router, this will be the last step of our workflow. We cannot add one more action step over here after router. So we need to perform all the action steps inside router only. Now we are going to select the action event as conditionally run. We will click on connect. And now it has provided us 2 routes. Now I am going to apply 3 routes over here. That means 3 conditions. These conditions and routes will be accordingly. Because I want that when I'm going to post a text over here like this on my Facebook page, then the route 1 should follow. When I'm going to post an image along with the text on my Facebook page, then this route 2 should follow. And at last, I'm also going to add one more route over here that will be for video. Okay. Now we are going to set filters as well as action steps inside these routes only. First of all, let me rename the first route. That will be for text only. Okay, this is for text only. Now we are going to click on update. Now after updating the route name, we are going to click on this set filter and action steps. Now here we need to apply the filter condition. Filter is again a feature by Pabbly which allows us to set conditions in our workflow. Here, because we have already read the instructions and it is given that we need to apply the filter accordingly. First of all, we need to select the label, and then we have to select the filter type, and then we have to enter the value for that label. Okay, so I'm going to simply map the data which we have already received from our previous response. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given. Now it was given that first of all we need to select the label as verb is equal to add. So here I'm going to select verb from the previous response, and the filter type will be equal to, and here I'm going to manually enter add. Okay, this is one condition. Now we are going to add one more condition over here. Let's click on this add button. And the second condition will be, once again we are going to select our previous step, and the second condition here will be published is equal to 1. So here I have selected published and here equal to 1. I have entered 1 manually. Okay. Now once again we are going to click on this plus sign to add one more action step. And here we have added one more condition. Now in this condition, we are going to use the item status. So here the item status will be equal to status only for the text. So because we are preparing this route for the text post, therefore the item status will be equal to status here. So we have applied conditions over here. First condition is for verb equal to add, when the verb from the response will be equal to add, and when the published status will be equal to 1 and the item status will be equal to status, then this route should continue, otherwise not. Okay, so we have applied the conditions. Now let's click on save and send test request button. And here our condition is true because all the conditions are applied in the response. Okay, now we will move further, and because the condition is true, we want to send this post on our Telegram group. Let's click on this add action step button. And here in the action application, I'm going to select Telegram bot. Basically, here we are going to set up a bot on Telegram for sharing our Facebook page post on Telegram automatically. So for creating the bot, here we have to follow some steps. Now, first of all, let us select our action event that will be send a text message or reply. Because first route is for the text message. When we will post a text on our Facebook page, then this route is going to continue. So here the action event will be send a text message or reply. Okay, let's click on connect. And now we are going to click on this add new connection to build a new connection with Telegram bot account. First of all, in order to build a connection, we need to provide a token over here. Okay, so what token we need to provide? We will go back towards our Telegram account, and here is the bot father. And we have recently created a bot named as Divine Glamour bot, and this is the API token given over here. So let me just copy it, and we have to paste it over here. Done. Now let's click on save. And here our Telegram bot account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we will move further. It is asking us following details: chat ID, text message, message thread ID, reply to message ID, etc. So for sending the post on our Telegram channel or group, first of all, we need to create a group or channel, and then we have to provide the chat ID of that group here in this field. So I'm going to once again take you to my Telegram account. Here, in order to show you, I'm going to create a new group in front of you. Okay, so I'm going to create a new group, and first of all, we need to add the bot which we have recently created into our group. So the name of my bot is Divine Glamour. I'm going to add it in my group. Okay, and now I'm going to change the name of my group. Let's say Divine Glamour Facebook post. Okay, and I'm going to create the group over here. So the group is created. We will go towards the settings of the group, and here we can find that there are 2 members in my group. Okay, so first member is me and the second member is the bot. Now, in order to share our Facebook page post automatically here in the group, we need to first of all provide the admin access to our bot. That can be done with the help of Telegram mobile application. So let me provide admin access to my bot with the help of my phone. And yes, here I have provided the admin access to this bot. Now we will go back towards Pabbly Connect, and we need to provide the chat ID. So here on the group, we can find that in the URL of the group, this is the chat ID. So we will simply copy it and we will paste it over here in this field. Okay, done. So we will move further. Now the next is the text message. What text message you want to post on your group? So we want to share the message, that means the text which we have received from our Facebook response, which we have posted on our Facebook page, and we have already received that detail in our earlier response, that is from Facebook page response. We will simply map the data over here. Now what is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given and here are all the details. We want to map the message, that means the text post. So I'm going to select it and it is mapped. Now, because we have mapped this data, it has become dynamic, and now it is going to change with each and every response. So now whenever we are going to post something, post a new text on our Facebook page, automatically this message is going to be replaced with that new message of that new post. But in case if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and then it is not going to change with each and every response. Then the workflow is going to stuck, and then we will not be able to share our Facebook page post on Telegram automatically. Okay, so in order to automate the entire process, we have mapped the data. Now let's move further, and here I'm going to click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, we can find that we have received the response. In the response, we have also received one ID. So let's go and check on our Telegram group, and here we can find that yes, a new message is received over here. Beauty is simplicity. This is the same message which we have posted on our Facebook page as well. Okay, this means that our workflow is successful up till now. Now we will move towards our next action step, and that is we will move towards our next route. So I'm going to delete this route, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just clone the route which we have recently created. So I'm going to click on clone, and I'm going to just rename this route text with image. So here we have created another route. Now we are going to go towards this route. Let's click on this set filter and action steps. And now we are going to set filter and action steps in this particular route according to the next condition. The next condition is that when we are going to post an image along with the text on our Facebook page. For that, first of all, let's capture a new response. So I'm going to click on this recaptured webhook response button. And now I'm going to post an image on my Facebook page. Okay. So let's say here I'm going to add a caption to my post. Makeup is an art. Okay. And now I'm going to attach an image along with this post. Okay. I'm going to upload an image. So I have uploaded the image. Now let's click on post. And the post is created. So as soon as we have posted an image here, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we can find that we have received the response. Now with this response, we are going to move further towards our next route. So here we will go back towards our second route, text with image route. And now in the filter conditions, the first two conditions will be same, and as it is, we are going to change the third condition. Here the third condition is item photo is equal to, so I'm in the place of status, we need to enter photo over here. Okay, done. So these are our conditions. So the first condition is verb add equal to add. The second condition is published 1 equal to 1. And the third condition is item photo equal to photo. Okay, all these data, because we have entered manually, it is not going to change with each and every response. But all the data which we have selected by using our previous step is going to be changed each time. So now whenever we are going to receive a new response from Facebook page, automatically the data is going to be mapped. If in the response, the item photo will not be equal to photo, then this route will not continue. Okay, now we will click on the save and send test request button to check the condition, and it is true because we have recently posted the photo, and in the response we have received all the details. Okay, so now because our condition is true, we will move further. We will once again go towards our Telegram bot setup, and here in the action event, in the place of send a text message or reply, we are going to select send a photo because we need to send the photo this time. Let's click on connect, and we will go with the existing connection only as we have already built the connection. Let's click on save. Here we are going to enter the chat ID. The chat ID is the same. So I'm going to enter the same chat ID over here. The next it is asking us is the caption. We have received the details of our Facebook page post from our earlier response. We will simply map the data over here. So we need to map the caption which is given. Let's select it and it is mapped. The next is the URL or the file ID. So the URL of the image. This is the URL of the image. Let's select it and it is mapped. Okay, done. Let's click on save and send test request button. And we have received the response. Let's go and check on our Telegram group. And yes, here we have received the image as well as the caption makeup is an art. This means that the workflow is successful up till now. We will move towards our next route. What we are going to do, we are going to delete the existing route. And here I'm going to simply clone the recent route. That means the route 2. And now I'm going to rename it text with video. Okay, this time we want that when I'm going to post any video along with the text on my Facebook page, then that video along with the text should be shared on my Telegram group. So we are going to set the conditions once again in this particular route. Okay, but before that, here we need to click on this recapture webhook response button once again. Okay, so we are going to capture a new response. This time I'm going to post a video over here. So here I'm going to enter the caption, a random caption, new video, and I'm going to upload a video over here. Now we are going to click on this post button. So we will go back towards Pabbly Connect, and here we will wait for a few seconds. And here we have received the response. In the response, we have received all the details. This is the page name and the caption this time is new video. And here is the link of the video as well. So we will move further once again. Let's click on this router step and you will go towards our third route. And here in the filter condition, these two conditions will be same. But in the third condition, the item is video and it will be equal to video only. Okay. So we have entered it manually. Now, the three conditions are verb add is equal to add, published 1 is equal to 1, and the item video is equal to video. So in case if the post will be video along with the text, then this route will be followed. Let's click on save and send test request button. And we can find that the condition is absolutely true. Let's move further. And here in the place of action event in Telegram bot, we need to select send a video this time. Okay, let's click on connect. And we will go with the existing connection only. Now we have to enter the details. Once again, we are going to enter the chat ID. This is the chat ID. Let me once again copy and we will paste it over here. Done. The next is the caption. Let's map the caption which we have recently received. Okay, this is the URL and the file ID. This is the URL of the video. And now let's click on save and send test request button. And here once again we have received the response. Let's go and check on our group. And yes, here is the video along with the caption new video. That means the workflow is perfectly successful and we have successfully built a connection between Facebook pages and Telegram. Now whenever we are going to post something on our Facebook page, automatically that same post will be shared on our Telegram group as well. And all the conditions will be followed accordingly. When we will post a text, automatically a text will be shared over here. When we will post an image along with the text, automatically the image as well as the caption will be shared over here. As well as when we are going to post a video along with the text, the same will be shared over here. And all these things will be done within different routes. So now let's check the workflow once again, as we have set up all the conditions as well as the integration between Facebook page and Telegram. So here I'm going to go towards my Facebook page once again and I'm going to post something over here. Let's say this time I'm going to post a text. New makeup tutorial videos coming soon. Let me post this. And here, as soon as we have posted the message, let's go and check on our group. And yes, here we can find that the same message is automatically received here. New makeup tutorial videos coming soon. Now I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to post an image here. Okay. New makeup collection. I'm going to upload an image over here. Okay. And I'm going to post it. And the post is created along with the caption. Let us again move towards our Telegram group. And this is the image along with the caption, new makeup collections. Okay. Now once again we are going to go back and here I'm going to upload a video this time. New video. This will be the caption. And here I'm going to upload another video and post. So the post is created. Let's go back towards Telegram channel and here we can find that this is the video along with the caption, new video. This means that our workflow is running perfectly fine. So now whenever we are going to post something on our Facebook page, whether it is a text, an image or a video, automatically all these things will be shared within seconds on our Telegram group or channel. We will go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in the workflow. So we have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook pages and in action, we have taken router by Pabbly. Okay. And we have connected all of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever we are going to post something on our Facebook page, automatically by following these routes which we have set up over here, the text, image or video will be automatically shared on our Telegram group as well. In the same manner, by following the same steps, you can very easily create this automation and this will enable you to automatically share your Facebook page post to different channel or group on your Telegram account. This was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.